In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from one Wells Fargo account to another. Whether you're sending money between your own accounts or to someone else's Wells Fargo account, this process is straightforward and convenient. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to open the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device. If you haven't already installed it, make sure it's downloaded from your app store. Once you open the app, log in using your username and password. This will take you directly to your account dashboard, where you can manage all your financial activities. Next, you need to locate the Transfer and Pay option in the bottom menu of the app. Tap on it, and within this section, you'll see an option labeled Transfer Money. Selecting this will guide you to the next screen, where you can choose how you'd like to proceed with your transaction. If you are transferring between your own Wells Fargo accounts, select Transfer Between Accounts. Alternatively, if you're sending money to an account at another bank, you'll want to choose To Another Bank Account. This flexibility makes it easy to manage both internal and external transactions right from your app. Should you be transferring funds to an external bank and have not set up that bank account yet, you'll first need to add it. To do this, tap on Wells Fargo account and input the routing number and account number of the external bank. Keep in mind, Wells Fargo may need to verify this new account, a process that typically takes between 1 to 3 business days. At this point, you're ready to enter your transfer details. Start by selecting the account you wish to transfer money from, which would be one of your active Wells Fargo accounts. Then choose the account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you wish to send and decide whether you want the transfer to happen immediately or schedule it for a later date. This scheduling feature provides great flexibility if you're planning ahead. Before finalizing your transfer, it's crucial to review all the details you've entered. Double-check the amount, the accounts involved, and the date of the transfer. Once you're confident everything is accurate, confirm the transaction by tapping Submit or Transfer. This click is what sets the transfer in motion. Once you've completed these actions, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. This message is your assurance that the transaction was successful. Additionally, you can always check the status and history of your transfers by navigating to the Transfer Activity section in the app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll easily and securely transfer money from one Wells Fargo account to another. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of managing your finances digitally with Wells Fargo.